name is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole.
Hey yo, I been on, bitch you been con, Bentley tints on, Fendi prints on. I mean I been storm, X-Men been formed. He keep on dialing Nikki like the prince on.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Friday, which means it's Face Try Friday. Excuse my hair, it's like in a bun, but it also looks crazy because, I mean, it'd be like that all the time. Today's Face Try Friday was chosen by, not by my best friend, but by another student that's in her class. Her name's Alice. She also likes when I do really, she calls them strange, well in Korean she says it, but strange looks, but not in a bad way. So she chose this one, which, looking at it, it is very interesting because I don't think I've ever put this eye color with this kind of lip. So, it's gonna be fun, gonna be interesting. If you are new, my name is Nikki. I live in Korea. My YouTube channel is 95% makeup, 3% Korea, and 2% randomness, which is just me. So, enough talking, let's get started. I'm actually super excited because for this look, this entire look basically, I get to use this. Actually, yes, for this entire look, I just get to use this palette, and I'm really excited because I love this palette. It is the ColourPop Soul palette, if you did not know. And I'm going to stay for this entire look because I already primed my lids and covered that with another eyeshadow from a different palette. So I'm going to stay in this area, well, these two rows, but mainly using this one, and these two. So it's like a L almost, or the number 7, whatever. First things first, I'm going to go into this lovely shade here very lightly and put that like a little bit in the crease and on the lid using a mermaid brush. By the way, that shade that I just used is called Ooh. It's just 3 O's, so I'm just going to submit to Ooh. Yeah, the next shade I'm going to go into is Unwind. It's not Floaties. The stickers are wrong and I haven't changed it yet. It says Floaties behind it, but no. This one is Floaties, this is Unwind. And I'm going to go right into the crease and then bring it down here. So right in my crease, and then bring it right there. This is actually a really pretty brown. It's almost the same shade as me. Yeah, I don't think this video is going to be too long because we're actually almost done with the lid. And then next, going into this shade, I don't want to get it wrong, Hotel, which is this like brown shimmer copper blah 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 shade, and put that just on top of the brown using a Vander makeup brush. So like I said, we're almost done with the lid half, top half I mean. So I'm going to go into this shade, which is Floaties, and put that all over this concealer. To make the end a little more like a deeper orange but not a red, I'm going to go into the shade, which is one of my favorites, Motel, and just in this corner blend it together, and this just right up in there. So this is actually basically done. I'm going to go with camera, foundation, concealer, contour, and then come back for here and the highlighting and lip. We're actually almost done. The last step is the lower lash line, in which I am going to take these three shades and put them all on my lower lash line using the Morphe 156 eyeshadow brush. And the final step before I do lips is the inner corner highlight. Actually, I have to do this highlight too, but I'll do that off camera. Inner corner highlight, I'm going to be using Uranus, and I'm just going to take it on the mermaid tail brush that I sprayed with some setting spray. For highlighting, I'm going to take King Tut. I'm going to do here, like right in here, a little bit here, a little bit here, and here. That should be good. And the final step, and then of course I'm going to come back with everything done in this knot in my head, is the lip. And this, I haven't used this one in a few months. This is the ColourPop. I'm going to assume it is their satin lip in Hutch. I bought a bundle. I think it was called Can't Stop, Won't Stop. And it was like a bunch of, it was a purple gloss like this, like deep purple. This deep purple satin lip, and then a deep purple matte lip, which I have that in the, it's like, it's a matte lip, but then they also have the same one, the same name, NYX, and it's a lippy pencil too, so I have both of those. I cannot find my lippy pencil at the moment because I have 1,000,001 makeup bags for my purse, and I don't know which one I'm not going to try to look for. So I'm going to use this one because it's a satin lip, and I like their satin lip formula, and I don't want to do matte lip today because this looks glossy. So yeah, this is called Hutch, by the way, if I did not say that. And this is a finished look. I do not have a silver-ish highlight, so I just used Trophy Wife and my Cupid's bow. My hair is being a little weird, but that's again, it went from a bun to me putting it down. I think I sprayed too much hairspray on it because now it just look all greasy. And tried to curl it, but clearly the side didn't want to do what it was supposed to do. Anyway, this is a finished look, and I actually like this. I didn't think I would, only because I don't think of orange and purple as being, you know, compliments, but then orange is like a little bit of, it's like team yellow, so then I guess it does kind of work. But I like this, and it's appropriate for fall, even though it's cold as I don't know what outside these days. So I like this a lot. And I'm thinking about, well, I'll do a face chart roulette. I got this idea last night where I would just pick up, like, I have a bunch of face charts saved into my phone memory from ones I've been sent. I'll just do a roulette where I'll take an eye look and a lip from a different face chart and put them together and see how it works. Anyway, that's it for this look. That's it. That's all. See you all next time. Bye.